Welcome back to YT2009. So, if you came in clicking into this episode wondering how to use Flash players, that's what we're going to be going over. We're going to be going over YT2009 Flash players in this episode. So, what you want to do to start using a Flash is basically you want to go up here on this little search query on this URL. This is my little instance URL. I know it's not my actual IP address, but anyways, what you have to do is select /toggle_f, in which you can already autofill it here. Then you'll just be brought to this little screen, then which you can find a thing that says F mode, or that's Flash mode, because back then in YouTube in 2009 they used the Flash player. And to make things a little more clear, I am using an older version of Chrome to interview this, and I just make things a little more clear. I do not use Chrome as my main browser anymore. In 2023, this is when I was using Chrome as my main browser back then. I switched to Firefox because it's more, I like non-Chromium browsers. But anyways, back to the main topic of the video. So what you want to do to toggle it on is all you have to do is just type F mode. I mean, just switch to F mode, and then once you click it, it will enable it. Now, if you're hosting this, like if it's your own little thing like this, for some reason you have to turn on H.264, or else it won't work. Like I've already demonstrated this in a now delayed version of my video when I was looking back. But anyways. All you have to do is just press switch. And then go back down. There it is. It's enabled. Now zoom back out. Then you can just go back to the home page. And then if you want to find the thing, let's go example. I always use my close and friends series to demonstrate this because it's the best thing I can use. Example, we just go here and then play all videos, and then because I'm using older version of Chrome to demonstrate this video, this will pop up. Click to enable Adobe Flash Player. I already know. And then boom, there you are. There's the Flash Player. Because everywhere I right click, it'll tell me that it's it'll show all the context menu stuff about Flash Player, like settings and all that stuff. Now, like, you might asking, like, how do you enable annotations? Because right now, I'm clicking. Well, I'm going to also interview that in this episode. So, what you want to do is, we're just going to open up new tab real quick. But anyways, what you want to do to enable these, let's go back over here. You want to type /flags. And then, you'll be greeted to this little interface that says YT2009 flags listings. And then what you want to press is YT2009_flags. Once you do that, you should be greeted with this little interface. I'm showing you about each YT2009 flag. So all these don't matter in this topic. The one that only does is always annotations. Now, if you want to also, like, if there's a little thing that has a redirection URL to another YouTube video, if you want to redirect to your main thing, you can just use this. But that's not where we're gonna go. We want to go to always annotations, and then once you do that, you can just press save. And then when we go back to our video, refresh the page, and then there, if the video has annotations or not, it'll tell you. Yeah, it's on. And then, yeah, you're free to go. And then here's a little other demonstration as well. So we can go back to the same way we've been doing that stuff. And then go over here, my little presets. Now, I modify a little bit of this, actually, so this won't exactly pop up for you, unless you fully recreate this yourself. Like the 2013, 2014, 2006, 2008 player section only. But anyways, if you want to use a different version of Flash players, like, let's say late 2010, which basically just is late 2010. Let's go back to our history. I'm just gonna keep the video open up every time, so I don't have to keep refreshing it. Oh yeah, since we have the always annotations on, I'll always instantly turn on the annotations on. Like, honestly, it just won't tell you. That's basically telling you the annotations are not available. And then that, so it doesn't change all the quality. And like, obviously, we got all this stuff again. And then, if you want to use like if you want some other players like 2013, which I'm not demonstrating how to patch it yet, but right now, so you got other players like this you can use. Now, for my demonstration, if I was using like HD video quality for on here on this old version of Chrome, usually the video just glitches out and it just starts like instantly skipping through the video, most of the video until it eventually like stops. I don't know why it does that, but that's not relevant. As you see over here, we got all this, like 720p. May just take a little longer for some reason. Then like we got things like this, which I don't know why the profile picture never loads, but you got like this, the subscribe button from 2013, which I now use for my intro, by the way. Little spoiler before you see it eventually. And then we have like the views, and then originally this is supposed to be a like the dislike thing, but it just doesn't pop up for some reason. Pretty sure because it's sick, because it's pretty sure originally data from YouTube from late 2009. This is the interface from late 2009, to those who don't know. So, I think that will conclude our little episode of YT2009 Flash Players. And I will see you on the next one.